Hi, I have a Kenmore refrigerator. It's a French door refrigerator, and I have a problem with the hinge, not the hinge, the flap of the refrigerator. And let me show you. Do you see the problem up there? Right there. It's supposed to be, when you close, it's supposed to be like this, instead of being like this. And the reason it's being like this because you see that this one doesn't catch right there. It doesn't catch to here. It's supposed to be, let me push you up. This thing come down. It's supposed to be like this and close the door. Close the middle like this. But what happened is when you keep doing this for a while, here, these things move down. See that? You can move up and move down. Move up. See, every time I move it up, see a gap right there? And also the gap right there. And because when you keep opening, closing the door, eventually gravity pull this one down. When you pull it down like that, let me show you, you won't even catch the top, this piece, because they make this piece too short, not tall enough to catch to the flap right there. It's kind of annoying that every time you have to do like this, to move this up, do like that, so you will catch to the top and close the middle part. If the middle part not closed, you know that what happened is, let me show you. Let me push this one down. And when you close the refrigerator door, so the gap right there, see that you can push a piece of paper go through, and you leak all the cold air from the refrigerator, and it may causes your electricity go up or get your food spoiled. So how do I fix these problems? Let me show you. Is the best way to do it. So to fix these problems like this, you either move this one down so it will catch to here, or move this one up, like I have to use my hand to push it up. Yes, either you move this up or move this down, or you do both. So let me find out the best way to do is, the easiest way is to move this one up, and you need some work to move this one down. Let's do it. These are the items you need to fix the problem. This is the one I got from Amazon. Is kind of a washer. Let me show you. It's like this. And I found the one work is the 9mm one. And let me show you how they work. It's like this. It's pretty thick on the side. Let's fix the problem. So the first thing I can do here is to push this one up so it will catch to here. So when you just open up the flap, you see the joint here? The joint problem is the joint come down. So what we'll do is to push it up first, make the gap bigger. So after you push it up, it will catch. After you push it up, it will catch. But with gravity, it will come down. So how do I maintain it up like this? In here, you see, there's a gap between the top and the joint. So to fill the gap, I use one of this washer. This is 9mm washer, and I'm going to put this washer in here. It fit right in. And look, close, open, close, open. It won't even come off. And let's check it. Close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. So you flush through here. See it? Let's check, see if it works. Oh, we catch to the top. Let's check it again, see if it comes out or not. Stay in there. Alright, you catch to it. So my next step is I'm going to do both. Next step is to bring this one down. So you need some work to bring this one down. Okay, let me get a screwdriver to unscrew this one. You hold by two screw, one screw, two screw. So hold by two screw. Let me unscrew it. I'll be back. Close the door first. So let's open the fridge again. See the screw here? So unscrew this one. And unscrew the other one. Don't lose it, okay? And this one will come off. See, there's a flap here. Okay, it come off. This is the piece that came off. It's like this. And you see that's the part number. So first, I'm going to cut some tape, double-sided tape, put it in the center here. You may need two pieces. You don't need that many, just a small piece. The reason is it makes it easier to attach to the top. So this piece, peel off. It's hard to peel off the top sometimes. Just one piece. Second piece. I think it's high enough, two pieces. Leave it like this. Then I found out the 4mm will work. The washer. You need two of the 4mm washer. One here. And I also forgot to keep a piece of Scotch tape. and make sure it goes through. No problem. Everything's taped, so easier when you put it together. And another 4 mm. A bigger piece this time. Punch it when I put it up there. Okay, let's do it together and put it back to the refrigerator. So up here, remove the tape. Here, you don't need to push it in, it just helps stick it so easier to put the screw in. Find the screw, put it in the hole. And then the other screw, the other side. Tighten both sides. And see if it works or not. The washer is still here. Okay, so let's see. Oh, here you go, it catches. Open, close, open, close. All right. Open, close. All right, problem solved. That's how I fixed this stupid French door design. I hope this helped everyone. And please hit the like button. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. I end up putting tape around it so it won't come off.